Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I want to show you how you can make $10,000 a month and what's the best way to do this in 2024. I know there are a lot of things out there like crypto and stocks and real estate. Now, while all of these are very profitable ways to make money, it also requires sometimes large amounts of money and it can be high risk. The best way that I found to make $10,000 per month with little to no risk and a very small startup capital is by building software. If you haven't heard the term Saas before, it means software as a service. So let me give you some examples, which I'm pretty sure you have some of these apps downloaded and you probably use it every day. Some examples are Amazon Prime, Netflix, Zoom, and you probably use some of these in your workplace, such as Slack or even Salesforce. Now guys, let me give you an example of an entrepreneur. So Alex Hermosi, who is one of the biggest names floating around, has just made his largest investments in Saas called School. Y'all can check that out on the link down below. Now guys, don't be intimidated by these big names or even these big numbers. Create small goals that are realistic to you. Maybe you just want to make an extra $500 a month. The great thing about creating a SaaS is that it will continue to grow the more people decide to use it. So I want to show you a software that we're getting ready to launch that's called Foam. This is essentially an app that will allow parents to manage a social experience with their children. You know, the internet can be a very dangerous place for children. So as a mom of 3, I wanted a way where my children can still have the social and media experience amongst other children and not adults. I know that there's a lot of parents out there who are like me, so I wanted to make this affordable. So our software is only charging $7 per month. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below in the description section so that you can sign up and join the waiting list. Now, you're probably wondering how much something like that would actually cost. And to be honest with you, I started this project myself for free using the power of nocode. Now guys, nocode allows you to build any type of software that you can think of without writing a single line of code. Essentially what you're doing is you're using drag and drop functionality through a visual editor. Now there are many different no-code tools out there. The most popular ones are going to be Bubble, Webflow, Adalo, and honestly there's many more. Now, I won't overwhelm you. Let's talk exactly about, what you would need to get started from scratch. The first thing that you would need to do is think of a problem that you can create a tool for to solve. Make sure you ask yourself these 3 questions. 1, what problem am I trying to solve? 2, who is my target audience? 3, will people be willing to pay for this solution? So if all those answers checks off, then you're well on your way. The next step to do is to get your idea from mind. You can have a physical layout so you can see the breakdown for what you're trying to build step by step. Now, this is going to be the most difficult part. I know that it was for me, so you can get started literally with pen and paper and start writing out your idea, drawing out your screens and devoting your software, right on paper. Now, once you have that completed, now you can choose the right no-code platform that supports your build. Now, this will take a bit of research. If you're looking to build an app, one of the easiest way to do that is to use Adalo. But let's say you want to build something like a web app or a software, Bubble will probably be better for that. Now guys, there's tons of videos on YouTube that you can watch, but if you need any help, feel free to email me. My email contact information will be down in the description below. So now once you choose the platform that you want to work with, you can get started. There will be a learning curve involved, but essentially all no-code tools are very similar. You're using a drag and drop functionality and then communicating what you want the functions to be able to do. If you've never heard the term if this, then that, that's exactly what you're going to be doing. Here's an example of what I mean. So I'm inside of Adalo and I can tell Adalo exactly what I want it to do. If you want to speed up the process of getting your software to life, you can hire a no-code specialist. To be honest with you, between 3 kids and managing a business, I decided to hire in help. This way I can get our app built a lot faster. But if you want to take this project by the horn and do it yourself, you're going to need to set aside a couple of hours in the day to get it done, or at least to get it fully functional. Here's a couple of ideas of things that you can build with no code. You can build calculators, courses, chats, e-commerce, an e-commerce website, social media platforms. Maybe you want to do something for your job. You can build a CRM or any type of management tool. I will be keeping you updated on our software and other projects that I am working on. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified on my next video.